We're at the iconic Freycinet National Park at the trailhead for the Wineglass Bay walks, but today we're going to have a crack at Mount Amos. We do have a warning on this one because of the steep track. Can't wait to get the heart pumping. Freycinet National Park is known for its pink granite. Big boulders like this one. It's super pretty. Now we're getting up high enough. There you go. There's probably the track starts proper there. We'll start to get exposed and we'll get good views back of Coles Bay. Now we start to get a view of Coles Bay and the greater Oyster Bay and the foothills, and start to see what the climb's about. View gets better, as you'd expect. So many amazing rock formations. Just wonder with the weathering how they ended up like that. What is amazing, nearly at the top, there's this thicket of tea tree scrub. It's like right on top of the mountain. It's a little bit windier at the top. Fantastic view of Wineglass Bay and the Freycinet Peninsula. In the distance you can see Shooting Island and Maria Island further down. The back of Mount Amos looking north, up Mouldings Lagoon, Swanwick, and a bit of Coles Bay down there, up to Friendly Beaches and up the east coast. Amazing coastline, absolutely fantastic. Funnily enough, it's the same view on the way down. So we're at Coles Bay, looking out to the hazards of Freycinet National Park as the sun's going down on a perfect winter's day.